Whether cooking meals, sitting on bar stools and just having great conversation, or relaxing over a family meal, our kitchen is the heart of our home. With all the time we spend in our kitchen, it's so important to know what's in and what's out. And today, we're gonna cover it. Hi, I'm Vinny and I'm with Big Bob's today to talk about kitchen trends. But before we talk about what's trending in kitchens, we should talk about this trending channel. Like the video and subscribe below because you want to be in on all the great content we're putting out each and every week. In Backsplash Wall. That's right, folks. An entire wall in your kitchen as an accent, or to be honest, even outside of your kitchen, like in your living room. A backsplash wall is in, whether it's stacked stone, mosaics, glass, or some combination. This look is unique and creates a pop and focal point in the room. So the next time you're redoing your kitchen, think about doing a backsplash wall. We've seen a trend that we've been following over the past couple of years of steel and glass dividers in showers. We're finding that that is becoming popular for kitchens. So it's a very unique look, but it's a nice way to separate your kitchen from your living room. In darker hues. That's right. Darker colors are making a comeback. Homes are featuring a lot more intimate colors, and dark creates that effect. We're talking dark blues, dark grays, black matte, and even espresso as being great colors in your home. So the next time that you're looking to remodel or repaint, consider taking a spin on the dark side. Another popular addition to kitchens is bench seating with built-in storage space. One, this creates another area to sit, which is nice. And number two, it creates another space to store things. And let's be honest, there's never enough room to fit everything in your kitchen cabinets. At least there's not in mine. In mixing up your metals. When we say that, what we mean is your hardware, your faucet, your handles, things of this nature in your kitchen, your appliances. Mixing and matching and having different looks in your kitchen can be a great way to update. And like we said, darker hues are in. So there is some great cobalt or black matte or other types of finishes for hardware that can look really nice in a space and add a really distinguished look. So comment below and let us know what you think is out. Something that you've seen recently, whether it be on Pinterest, whether it be online, or unfortunately in someone that you know's home that is out. We're curious what you have to say.